Here we have a Sony PlayStation Vita Wi-Fi 2000 series. Looks something like this, and it came in for a charging port replacement. The customer wrote he has to wiggle the cable in order to charge the battery. Now, I have not worked on this device on our channel before, so it should be a quick and fun one to work on. The first thing I want to do is inspect the board under the microscope or the connector and see if we see any physical damage. Right now, the customer did confirm that he has to wiggle the cable, so it doesn't matter what we see right now. If the port is damaged or not, we have to change it because that's 99% the cause of the problem. And yeah, it looks good from the inside, nothing obvious. And if we check the pins, do we have any loose pins in the front? And the pins are solid. Let's not waste any time. Change the port and move on to fixing something else. So we added leaded solder to mix it with unleaded. That will make the wicking process a lot easier because it takes a lot of heat to wick unleaded. So right now we have a mixture and we should be able to wick solder from the holes easily. And let's solder a new port. Let's add some flux. Right, and we are done from the front. Right now all we have to do is solder the back and the job is done. And just look at the solder joints, they look amazing. I'm gonna give the board to Big Boss along with the console so he can reassemble, and we'll test it in a few minutes. The console is assembled, it's working, and it's charging. Let's go ahead and test. Plug the charging cable, and the console is charging at 5 volts, 0.6 amps. Awesome. Right there. All right, quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.